Hello, good afternoon, everyone. This is a Jackaroo tutorial. So, as you can see, there is a board. Okay, so um, there is a board, and you need to. Uh, so there is in Jackaroo, you can have mm, two players, three players, and four players. So now, as you can see, I have the 10. This 10 plus 10 is a thing that you can freeze your opponent. You can freeze the person after. Okay, so I have a new set of cards. Okay, I'm playing with the robot because no one, the person left, so it's high time for me to teach you while I'll play the robot. Okay. So I have, if that's eight, you need to click your piece and then it will move eight spaces. But this time, be careful not to land on the edges of the board because sometimes the player, your opponent will um, send you, they will be on the edge to go out. So if you are there, you will be um, you will be killed. So better yet, go before that. Now I will place the eight. Okay, I'll move eight spaces. Yeah, the objective of this game is you. Oh, he see that is a swap card. She swapped me to so that I could be near my base. So I will just use that opportunity to get inside. Okay, so I have one and he has one. So eight, you get it, and then I have a new card. But this time, I don't have an ace and king, so I cannot go out. I'll just put some pieces, anything, so that the game will continue. So he needs to go out of the house because of the ace. I will get another eight. I cannot do anything because I don't have an ace and the king to go out. So he will use that is a turbo. So you need all the things that he will pass, he will kill of that king king plus or the super king. So now 12 steps, and then this one will give you negative 4, meaning you go out back. Okay, this one five steps. Still, I don't have a king and the ace. I will just play by it. Okay, I'll just put this one is a stop card. Okay, you freeze the next opponent. They cannot move. Again, I will put 7.